Hey, hello. On this video, I'm going to show you guys if you are looking for how to create put your name on lock screen on Xiaomi phone. Here, the right video for you. So open your settings and then you just search on the search setting for lock screen like this, and then you can tap into lock screen owner info, and then you can choose there are four options by now. You can choose which layout like this. So for me, I just love with the date on it. And then here on down below there is an option of um here you can see lock screen owner info. You can edit here. For me, my name is Gani. I will put Gani here, and then for instance I will add my signature on the lock screen and click OK. Here, as you can see, this is my name already shown on the lock screen. But the thing is, the lock screen is really the name on the lock screen is really small. So but I think it's enough because they propose to put your name on the lock screen if your phone left behind somewhere on your office or on your anywhere. People could do open the lock screen. People could open your phone without login and then see the whose phone is this. So that's it. That's the point of using your name on the lock screen. So I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel and then see you on the next video. Bye bye.